Bettye's cooking channel. Today I'm going to prepare for you some garlic mushrooms. Yes, some garlic mushrooms. They are delicious. They're keto, they're low carb. Stay tuned if you want to learn how to make these delicious garlic mushrooms. So let me go ahead and add some oil to the skillet here. That's about 3 tablespoons of oil. And these are the mushrooms here. I'm just gonna rub off the debris on these mushrooms before I cook them. Add some garlic to the pan. I added the garlic to the pan here. It smells so good in this kitchen. And now I'm gonna add the mushrooms. I kind of rubbed off some of the debris on the mushrooms. I added water to the mushrooms. Just rinse them off and just rubbing the debris off of the mushrooms. I love mushrooms. These mushrooms were really dirty, so it took me a while to wash them. So you know, they are not clean. So the garlic smells so good. Add a little salt to the mushrooms. It takes about 15 minutes to cook these mushrooms. The mushrooms are ready, so I'm going to go ahead and take them out of the pan here. How did you like that quick and easy garlic mushroom dish? It takes no time to make this dish. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.